Hello teachers, we will now see how we can schedule an online lecture using Google Meet. For this, first we need to log into our official mail IDs. You can also use your personal Gmail IDs. The only difference being that if you're using your official mail ID, you will get to add up to 250 participants. With your personal mail IDs, you can add only 100 participants. But whatever your personal ID is, just make sure that it has to be a Gmail ID in order to be able to schedule a Google Meet here. Now, once you're logged in, click on the plus button and open a new tab, and here open the site calendar.google.com calendar.google.com and click on the enter button. It will open the calendar pertaining to that mail ID. Here, say I want to schedule a lecture for 15th July at 11 in the morning. So in the cell for 15 July, you need to click once. It tries to add an event. I'm going to give it a title right now. This is the paper that I teach, 15 July, and I'm just going to add a time. So at the moment it says 5 p.m. I can just click on that time and select, say suppose I want to take it 11 a.m. Again, this is a meeting that I want in Google Meet. So here it says add Google Meet video conferencing. I'm just going to click on it and it's going to add a Google meeting here. Now I want to set some more options. So for that I will go to more options here. Now in this I would like to schedule this meeting on a repetitive manner every Wednesday. Now not just that every Wednesday, I want it to end on a specific date also. So let's say if I'm starting in July, August, September, October, maybe October 15th I would like to get over with this 3 months. So what I'm going to do is then instead of weekly on Wednesday, I'll click on custom. Custom will help me give it a weekly nature and help me give it a ending date also. So repeat every 1 week and the day of the week that it has to be repeated, say Wednesday, and when it ends on. So I'm not going to keep it as never. I'm going to say ends on. By default it says October 14th. This may be a Wednesday, that is why it is suggesting this. So I'm going to keep it like this. So in case if you want your lectures to be held on say Mondays and Fridays also, then that too can be scheduled here. So every Monday and say Friday. So say suppose this lecture is happening 3 times a week, then we can schedule it here itself every week and giving it an ending date and click on done. Once you do that, you'll get that notification here, but remember we went to custom. Now here further down you can add how the notification should be, how long before you should get reminder for it and things like that if you want to change that, and click on save. So if you see my calendar, 15th is a Wednesday, 15th, 17th being a Friday, and from the following week every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. I've got a COD lecture scheduled Monday, Wednesday, Friday and so on. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday you'll be able to see that you've got a schedule of Google Meets scheduled here and all the way up to 14th October only. So beyond this no more lectures are scheduled or no more Google Meets are scheduled. If you want you can schedule it like this, or if you want you can keep it for that month or 2 weeks, whatever is the last day that you would like to give. So once this is done, this is going to give the students and you a reminder. Okay, now to add the students, to inform the students of this, what we need to do is click on this event, and where it says join by Google Meet, there is a button here to copy the reference link. So we can copy this link and paste this link into the students information box somehow. So either in their WhatsApp groups or in the Google Classroom that we created, you can paste this in the stream where you're making announcements. So that is these are the 2 ways you can send this information across to the students. I'll just show it to you here. I'll open Notepad so that you will be able to see the link that has got copied and kept in the clipboard. So that is the Google Meet ID that the student gets. So in this way you can schedule meeting which is repetitive in nature, either only for Mondays or Wednesdays or whatever day of the week you would like, giving it a end date also. So this is the manner in which you can create a Google Meet, you can schedule a Google Meet beforehand itself. Thank you.